problems. First one is environmental factor, problems in the family, pressure of office work, pressure of competition, and etc. can lead to this problem. Second is biological factor. It includes genes, the stage of development, that is puberty. It also includes gender and ethnicity. Third factor is age factor. Those who start taking drugs at an early age stand at higher risk of getting addicted. So as the last conclusion is that there are many reasons that can lead to this problem, but it is essential to spread awareness about this negative cause of drug abuse, which can discourage this problem. It is essential for those who are gripped with this problem to consult with experts and stick to healthy lifestyle. Thank you very much.
Everyone, good afternoon, respected teachers. My name is Marpreet Kaur and I am here to present my essay topic on Article 370. The autonomy of the state is given by Article 370 of the Constitution. The temporary provision of this article is derived from Part 21 of the Constitution under the title Temporary Transition and Special Provision, which grants the special status to the state of our country. It also, this article includes in the Constitution on 17 October 1949. It also restricts the Parliament legislative. Today I am going to present my essay topic on tourism in India. First of all, I would like